This is how I turned this pallet into a lovely aquaponics system. I broke just 2 of the boards holding the pallet together, basically gutted it. I added some scrap wood that was a little bit taller to the sides for depth. That way when I add the rocks, there'll be enough depth for the fish. Basically then take some wood and start framing the sides on. I just use 2x4s. Often Home Depot will have these woods for like $1 a piece. In the back, I wanted natural soil. In the front, I wanted the hydroponics. So in the front, where the water and the fishies are gonna go, put chicken wire at the bottom for extra support. Filled in some cracks with spray foam. We took it to its final resting spot where it's gonna be, next to the tortoise enclosure. Bucket for the concrete mix. Towels for the concrete mix. Dip the towels in the bucket of the concrete mix and place them in just like this. I need y'all to quit acting like I ain't got bars. A hip, a hop, a hibbity hip hop. I laid about 3 or 4 concrete towels in there, let it dry overnight. Added a little bit of concrete in the AM. Before the sunset, voila! Trimmed the extra access towel off the sides. Began putting the piping together. That stuff's gonna end up on the back shelf after I put all the piping together. There's the back side where my herb garden will go. Just place some scrap wood back there, and then I cut holes for the drainage. Then we just painted on this liquid rubber. We did about 2 coats. Went over it the first time. Let it dry for that day. Came back again the next day and put another coat on. Test time. Began filling it up just to see if it can hold water, and it held. Checked pump and water flow through the whole system. Added rocks, then fishies, and voila. Look at the fishies swim. Now I just gotta hide the wiring, but yeah, just wanted to make sure everything was good. I eventually had to add kind of roof shelter because the leaves of the tree kept falling down into the pond. Ran a test using that dandelion and it was good. Trying to eat healthy. Let's go, Jay Gets Fit. And as always, like comment, and subscribe.